It is Thursday, January 3rd, 2019, about 11:45 p.m., and this is my Goodman central air conditioner running. It got kind of hot upstairs, so we turned on the AC. And I do not know what the temperature was when we first turned it on, but right now it is 72 degrees and it's set to 70. And again, this is a straight cool unit. That is not cold at all, nor is it sweaty. Yeah, this is a 2008 3-ton 13-seer with R22 refrigerant. It's got the Goodman reciprocating compressor, I do believe. This one cools the 3rd floor. This one, I think, cools the main level, and this one heats and cools the basement. This is the only heat pump in this little section right here. This one right here. And I think it is in the high 40s right now. It's drizzling a little bit. This camera battery is actually nearing its end, so I'm going to have to wrap it up in just a minute. And this unit does not appear to have a low ambient kit. But I think it will be just fine. I mean, it's not like it's going to be running for the entire night. I mean, it'll shut off eventually. So there's really nothing to worry about. So that is the 2008 Goodman 3-ton 13-seer straight cool air conditioner running. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.